In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select the top 10 rows in Snowflake using the top clause. If you're working with large data sets and only need to retrieve a limited number of rows, this can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right into it and see how you can achieve this efficiently in Snowflake. Snowflake is a powerful cloud-based data warehousing platform, and optimizing your queries is essential to manage and analyze data swiftly. The top clause is a handy tool available in Snowflake specifically designed for this purpose. It allows you to quickly retrieve a specific number of rows from your dataset. In our case, we want to extract the top 10 rows. To begin, you first need to write a SQL query that includes this top clause. Now, imagine you've got your dataset loaded into Snowflake and you want to fetch the top 10 entries from a particular table. It's pretty straightforward to do this with the top clause. You would start your query with the select statement followed by the top clause. The top clause tells Snowflake how many rows you want to retrieve. In this instance, we'll specify 10 because that's the number of rows we are interested in. Following the top clause, you'll include an asterisk "e" to indicate that you want to select all columns. So your SQL query should look like this. Select top 10. This instructs Snowflake to return the top 10 rows, and when you use the asterisk, you're essentially saying you want to include all the columns available in those rows. Next, you need to specify the table from which you want to retrieve the data. Right after the asterisk, you should use the keyword "from" and then mention your table's name. So your complete SQL query will look like this. Select top 10 from your table. Just replace your table with the actual name of your table. A quick tip here. If you have specific columns you are interested in, instead of using "in", you can list those column names after select. This can make your output more concise and relevant if you don't need every single column from your table. Another thing to keep in mind is the order in which your query retrieves the top rows. By default, the rows returned are not ordered unless you specify an order by clause in your query. If you need the top 10 rows based on a particular column's values, you can do so by adding, for example, order by column name. This ensures your results are sorted according to your preferred criteria before fetching the top 10 rows. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to select the top 10 rows from a table in Snowflake using the top clause. This can significantly enhance your data querying process by making it faster and more manageable. Thanks for watching, and happy querying.